Okay, so we've got a 2016 Holden Colorado in an LTZ dual cab. Got the plexiglass canopy, tow bar, reverse sensors, got the King's awning, roof racks, alloy wheels, side steps. Just presents in excellent condition. It's got the alloy bull bar, got the front sensors there as well, and snorkel. So she's certainly set up. Does have air suspension in the back and a lift kit. Got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity, 103,000 Ks, satellite navigation, climate air conditioning, the lane change warning there as well. Of course it's automatic and it is a 4-wheel drive. Interior seat trim, it's in pretty good nick. Side airbags, there's your logbooks. There's the back seat there, all looking very good. Just show you inside the boot. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.